guys, welcome back to the YouTube and welcome back to the channel, guys. And today we are doing some outside catering, and here we are in the beautiful Taunton in Somerset at the Master Thatcher pub, and link in description, guys, if you want to follow their Facebook. So today we are doing the old English tradition of pie, gravy and chips. It's meant to be mashed, but we haven't got any. Freshly homemade pie, some beautiful fries, crispy and salty, some lovely gravy, £7.50, and we're doing this every weekend now in Taunton, guys, here at the Master Thatcher. I'm helping out the big Scott, who isn't here right now. But it's going to be a fun night, guys. So we're going to show you how we do this in this video, show you around the little operation here, taste some pies, and hopefully get some feedback from the locals. So Jordan, let's do this!
Here he is with pies.
The fresh pies have arrived. Here is Scott the pie man, guys. And come this way, Jordan. Mind that cable. So look, freshly made pies from the oven, guys. Okay, we've just literally made these in the kitchen. Fries cooking fresh. Induction hob for the gravy. A beautiful little place to serve. And look at this, guys. What a lovely day.
Hello, Tesco.
Hi guys! Do you want some pies? That right.
Hello, babe.
Look at these, Jordan. Ooh la la. So these are our homemade pies, guys. On the menu today we have chicken and ham, or steak and ale, I believe.
For £7.50.
Look at these though. Proper homemade, beautiful. So I'm really excited about this, guys. I love local food events like this, and it's really important to support your local businesses. Right now, pubs haven't been able to open, and it's been really tough. The guys here, they've got so much energy. The food is amazing. So I'm really pumped for this. Let's get on with it. We open in 20 minutes.
Hello, Carl.
Hi, Carl. How's it going? What? How's your pie night going? What? Scott's so awkward on camera. What? He does make an amazing pie, but I would say, guys, if it wasn't for my input into Scott's culinary world, he would not be at the level he's at. So I know
that's bollocks.
He doesn't want to thank me. We'll have to bleep that out.
Complete bollocks.
Stop swearing.
I taught you more than you used.
But he is the main. Honestly, he's my favourite person to cook with.
Stop swearing. This ain't going on the internet.
This is going on YouTube.
That's fucking
We're making a YouTube video. I don't think Scott knows about YouTube. He's a bit old. He gets excited when he gets more people. So we've got chicken and ham going out here, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, isn't it? Whoa, guys. So we're having a short break from the customers, and I'm going to make a really cool like fry dish. Spicy chili garlic fries with Scott's favourite thing. Look, I bought it out for you, mate.
The dried chive?
Yeah. Literally uses these and everything. Do you remember that? Let's get into this, guys. So the fries are on. We've got our little box here. What are you doing? Yeah. Squirting out here. Stop it. Squirting out here. Jesus, guys. Right. Okay, so it's really important that we salt our fries. Make sure we season the fries, guys.
My right chip on his shoulder here.
Right. So really important you salt the fries, guys.
Right, salt it.
Shake them up, shake them up.
More salt, yeah.
What's up? Follow me, follow me, follow me. Okay. Into our lovely box. Garlic chili sauce on, and what we're going to put on top, Jordan?
Some dry chives.
Scott Rayner's favourite, dry chives.
Yeah, go on, I'll make it. See, look how that changes the dish.
Wow.
Amazing.
Should we get into it?
Changes the dish, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Amazing.
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 Oh wow. Oh, good.
There's a great charge to it.
Yeah. I'd say bit of cheese on there and a bit of barbecue sauce. Right?
It's a dry chive.
The dry. Right, guys. I campaign for fresh herbs. Okay, fresh herbs, not dried herbs. But Scott seems to insist on using them. So you know.
Wrap that pie.
What's
Earache
this?
pie.
Oh, is this one of our pies?
Yeah.
So we're going to officially taste one of Scott Rayner's homemade steak and ale pies.
Oh yeah.
Right, let's give this a little go. Okay. Scott stood over there waiting for me, like. Actually, it's not bad. Oh, moo.
I had one last night. Just to make sure.
Here he's the big man himself. Pie and chips is such an English thing to have. Oh, here he is.
Hungry.
You on the old ham and chicken, bro?
No, I'm on the steak. Well, it is amazing. I cooked it. I know it's amazing. Meat.
Oh, bro.
That is fucking meat, mate. You don't get that in any normal fucking pie, do you? Fucking
Your language is awful.
meat.
Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. We've had a really fun night tonight making the pies. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button below. And if you want to follow the Master Thatcher's Facebook,
Meat.
because they make some amazing pies. Scott,
Meat.
how do they follow you on Facebook, buddy?
Meat.
Right, click the link in the description, guys. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next week. See you later, guys.